Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
So we have a surprise here for Callie today. Let's see what it is. What's under there?
Oh,
What is it?
I think it's a Nighthawk.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
So y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to drive it outside. And first we're gonna get everything settled and we're gonna put the flag on. So y'all, now I am outside and I got the flag. And on yours it should be a little like circle and that's where you're gonna put the flag at. And I got it in all the way. And then here's how I get it. I do this and then I hold on. And then I do this. And then and here's the power button. And then here's the stop button. That's out. The power button is in and the stop button is out. So basically I'm gonna go. But first you gotta remember to turn it on. And when it's on, it'll be it and it'll have a red light. But not on this. On this. On the what? Yeah, I get it going.
Oh my goodness!
I know, y'all. This is so fast, so I love it. And it's powered. So, y'all, I'm gonna go around the circle, and then I'm gonna go down the trash can because this thing is really fast. So, yeah. So I like this surprise, everybody. And I love how it has the details. I think it has stickers too, but we forgot, we didn't put them on. Don't mind the flag. When you get it, the flag is like gonna go all over the place and stuff. And then the thing is gonna be really fast. But y'all probably wondering how you know how to rate that so good already. My cousin had this, so I wanted it, and I forgot that I wanted it, and then my mom got it for me. I was like, wow, I was so excited.
Okay, let's see how fast it goes.
Ready? Yeah.
Yep.
Goes up 6 miles per hour. And you
6 miles per hour.
I forgot. And y'all gotta charge it for 24 hours. Don't forget. Don't get too excited. And we're gonna keep on going. All the kids out there, don't be scared when it goes like this. When you turn like but don't never be scared. So y'all always have your brake, but it just stops you. Can you even go? No. But yeah. So y'all, since I have to rate it from 1 to 10, I'll give it 10. Y'all know me, 10. So y'all, this is my toy reveal, and I'm so happy, and I love this. And
So should the kids put it on their Christmas list?
yeah, of course, because this is a really good toy for kids, and kids will like it. So y'all, this is the end of the toy review. Like, comment, and subscribe. Callie Rose Playhouse. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button.